In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with Santander UK Mobile in 2025. Opening a checking account online might seem like a daunting task, but with a few straightforward steps, we can break it down and make it simple for you. So let's dive in and take this process step by step. The first thing you need to do is visit the Santander website. Once you're there, look towards the top of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Checking. Click on that and then select Checking Overview from the drop-down list. This will guide you into the section where you can explore the various checking account options available from Santander. Now, once you have explored these options and decided which checking account suits your needs best, you can begin the application process. To do this, look for the Open Account button next to your chosen account type and give it a click. This marks the beginning of your application journey. Next comes the crucial part, providing your personal information. This usually includes your full name, date of birth, current address, and contact information. Make sure you fill in these details accurately to avoid any complications later on. Remember, this information helps Santander verify your identity to ensure that everything matches up smoothly during their processing. After entering your personal information, it's time to submit your proof of identity and address. For identity verification, you'll need to upload an official document such as your passport or driving license. Meanwhile, to confirm your address, you might use a recent utility bill or a bank statement. Carefully check the document submission requirements to make sure everything is in line with what's required, as this will ensure that your application isn't held up unnecessarily. Once all your information is entered and documents are uploaded, it's time to review everything. Take a moment to go over all your entries one last time to ensure they're correct. Paying attention to detail here can save you time in the long run. Once satisfied, go ahead and submit your application. Now, it's a matter of allowing Santander some time to process your application. Once they have reviewed everything and hopefully approved your account, you will receive your debit card and account details in the mail. These will allow you to start enjoying all the conveniences of your new checking account. And there you have it, a straightforward way to open a checking account online with Santander UK Mobile. I hope this guide helped simplify the process for you and made it less intimidating. Remember that all it takes is a bit of preparation and a few clicks to successfully complete your application. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tips.